Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram an Audi key fob. First, gather your key fob in your Audi vehicle. It is crucial to ensure your car's battery is fully charged before beginning this process, as a low battery can interfere with successful reprogramming. You will also need to locate your vehicle's ignition and the driver's side door lock. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient for you. Now, let's begin with the first step. Insert your Audi key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but be careful not to start the engine. This action simply activates your vehicle's electrical system, preparing it for the reprogramming sequence. While the key is in this position, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for precisely 2 seconds. This initiates the communication between the fob and your car. Moving on to the second crucial step. After holding the unlock button for 2 seconds, remove the key from the ignition. Immediately press and hold the unlock button on your key fob once more, this time for a duration of 5 seconds. While still holding the unlock button, quickly press the lock button 3 separate times. This specific sequence sends the necessary signals to your Audi's system for synchronization. To finalize the process, release all buttons on your key fob. Now, it's time to test its functionality. Stand near your Audi and press the lock and unlock buttons to ensure they operate the doors correctly. If your key fob does not respond as expected, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reprogramming process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to achieve successful synchronization. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.